lost quite a lot as well, but not as much as on the weekend. And I guess the reason for that was because a lot of the altcoins were just massively oversold on the weekend already. So Bitcoin lost quite a bit yesterday. It obviously moved to the, I basically readjusted or rearranged here this descending wedge. So with Bitcoin finding resistance up here at around 40k, we can, I could rearrange the resistance line of that wedge, and it just shows that here we found resistance. Someone has been telling me that this is actually a channel. I've tried everything. I don't know, I can't see it. If you can see a channel in here, let me know. I can only see a wedge. Yeah, I can only see a wedge. I tried to rearrange it in a channel and I can't see it. Maybe I'm blind, but I can't do it without cutting through any candles or anything. So yeah, for me this is still a wedge, and for me we broke out of the wedge to the downside. That is how it is currently looking. That is of course not bullish at all. I looked into what could an alternative wave count be. I'm currently not quite sure. I would like to see a few further moves for Bitcoin. The thing is, the ideas I come up with here, they are super bearish. So they actually, for whatever I've come up with two things here, and maybe I need to think about them further in the morning, or throughout the morning today. But the two options I've come up with, they actually, they would mean that Bitcoin won't end in here in the 20 to 29k area. We can even then look at prices below 15k. That is why I really need to rethink it before I create any panic here. So I don't really want to do that at the moment. So let's see. This seems to be something more bearish than even I expected. Yeah. So obviously we've been talking about prices between 20 and 29k since November. I think so far we're getting closer and closer. Yeah. But yeah, I don't want to rush into this here. So I want to give it another thought. Elliott wave counts take time. So yeah, you probably have another updated count in the next video. What we're currently doing here, I currently still have this labeled as wave 5 and wave 1, and that is possible. It is still possible, but again, I want to give it some further thought about what could be happening here. But from just a sort of more traditional technical analysis perspective, what we've done, we've obviously made lower lows here, confirming that overall downtrend in which we are. Here, we obviously did not manage to break above that resistance level. That is why I had it on the chart, because it is quite relevant.